Hi and welcome! I am Markus from Delta Soundworks, and in this video I will show you how spatial audio interacts with virtual spaces in real time within a game engine. You will hear a brief breakdown of virtual acoustics in action. All examples were rendered binaurally, so make sure to wear headphones for the full experience. Here's some stereo music played back without any effects. So channel 1 goes on the left ear and channel 2 onto the right. Let's mix it down to mono and use panning according to the movement. Now, to make it feel realistic, we use a spatializer, in this case from Meta's Audio SDK. And here's another from Atmoki's True Spatial. Source directivity can also be modeled by Meta. And again by Atmoki. Early reflections bounce from walls and ceilings. Combined with late reverberation, it sounds like this. Sounds like this, with diffraction. And here's transmission, or none at all. We can speak of room coupling when an audio system is capable of combining all these effects and when it can automatically blend acoustically interacting spaces. So when the brain gets all the acoustical cues it needs, it is virtual acoustics that makes the presence of objects in a digital space believable. That's when spatial audio really becomes spatial. This is especially important in virtual reality. If you are into spatial audio or you want to explore these examples in detail, make sure to visit our free course material under the link in the description.